talk about today's myth. There is no way to remove a Google review. A negative review on Google can blemish your online reputation, especially if it shows up in a search result. Therefore, it makes sense for you to want to go on in and delete that review. But when you go into your Google My Business admin, you don't see delete button. So are you doomed forever if a negative review comes in on your profile? Let me pass it over to my correspondent, Liz Lengyel, who is going to test out removing a Google review and bust today's myth.
Thanks, Anna. So, like Anna just said, you won't find a delete button under every review that you want to remove. It just isn't that simple. But there are other ways to get reviews removed. Number 1, win the customer over and then ask them to edit their review. Respond head on and be empathetic to show commitment to solving the problem. Responding to a 1 or 2 star review within 24 hours has a 33% higher probability of the reviewer coming back and upgrading the review by as much as 3 stars. Reach out and see if they still feel the same way after the problem is solved. Follow up with email, call, etc., and invite them back to your business. If you win them over, they're likely to edit or remove the review on their own, or you can ask them to edit their review after you can provide trust to the customer. Number 2, if you think it's potentially a fake review and you want it removed, still respond, but you can reach out to Google for help. Sadly, fake Google reviews are uncommon. It could be from a spammer, a direct competitor, or from a disgruntled former employee. You should look to identify if it's authentic, but regardless, respond. In the eyes of a potential customer, a response to a negative review can provide reassurance that your business cares, it listens to the voice of the customer, and they deal with problems. Number 3, last but certainly not least, request more reviews for your Google My Business page. By sending emails or SMS requests for customers who opt into text messaging, you can get relevant feedback about their recent experience with your business. By amplifying the positive, your negative reviews will have less impact. Ultimately, knowing what to do when you receive a negative review on Google can help you protect your online business reputation. And just like that, this case is closed. There are ways to remove a Google review. It just isn't as straightforward as you may initially think. Back to you, Anna, to wrap up this myth.
Thanks, Liz, for cracking the code on today's myth. While removing a Google review isn't as easy as pressing a delete button, following the steps that Liz has outlined will help prepare your business for situations where you can benefit from having a Google review deleted or edited. ReviewTrackers also has a blog post on how to remove a Google review and protect your online reputation. If you do have any questions on your Google My Business page, reach out to ReviewTrackers as we are a Google My Business featured partner. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.